Hey everyone, how's it going today? So I got a pretty, what I consider an epic mail call, and I got 3 knives in the mail today. Now, this one's a budget knife. These two, I myself don't consider being budget, but some people, they might be. So this is just going to be an unboxing video, show you what I got. I'll come back later after I, carry and use these for a while, give you more of a review what I think of them. So I'll just move these two out of the way for now. Now I opened the packages so I knew which one's which. I haven't opened the boxes or touched them yet. So the first one is a Ruike, and it's a P801. It really doesn't have a sticker on it, but this one I've seen reviewed many times and everybody really liked it. Now this cost $20.95, so 30 bucks. So that is how you pronounce it, is Ruike. When I do the other video, I'll explain more about that. Joe, got a little book. Got another book. So it's in here. It's got a tagged Ruike, ready to make it. This is really nice for a $30 knife. Let me get my knife out. I carried a Civivi Elementum today. There, get that out of there. Thumb stud, flipper, thumb stud, all stainless steel. It's really sharp looking. Feels good. I like the blue clip and the blue pivot ring and the thumb studs. Pretty much shake shut. So I really like that one. Like I said, I'll come back and do videos on these after I use them. Put the box back together a little bit. Put that out of the way. This one, now this one and the next one, I didn't think I was going to be able to get for a long time, but I bit the bullet and got them. When the time's right, the time's right. This is a Spyderco, usual Spyderco box, C223PBK, made in the USA, Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. And it is the Paramilitary 3 lightweight. And you get the usual Spyderco stuff. There we go. Now this is a compression lock. Oh yeah. This is really lightweight. Drop shut's good, bounces out. So this one cost $98. I got all 3 knives on Blade HQ. If I didn't mention that. but this was $98. It weighs 2.4 ounces. It is light. This weighs 4 ounces and something. 4.23 ounces, so it feels good. The weight of that actually makes it feel good. This is really, really light. So I like this. Like I said, I'll go in more review later. Well, this feels good too. I wanted one of these for quite a while. Maybe another Spyderco I'd give is Mannix 2. This has a wire clip, FRN scales, which feel pretty good. Everything's rounded. You can choke up on it. It's CTS BD1N steel. The rake, I didn't mention, is 14C28N. So I wanted this for a long time, and I wanted this one for a long time, and I've also wanted this one for a long time. And like I said, I opened the box, I took the packing peanuts out, but I haven't opened this up. I didn't think I'd ever get a Benchmade. Thought it'd be a long time coming. Cut that. Is there another one? So this is the 535 Bugout blue class. Can't seem to get it open. Got it open. Comes in little microfiber type pouch. You got your use and care manual. Decent box. Got the tag. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. It's not, yeah, it is drop shutty. Gotta give it a little bit. Access lock. And this cost me $127. 127 some change. And Blade HQ. And this has the CPM S30V blade. Yeah, this feels really good in the hand. Got a small deep carry pocket clip. I like that. Falls in my palm good. I don't feel it so much. Yeah, so I got two of my so-called grail knives. Real quick, you can see, line them up tip to tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The Benchmade 7 inches. The pair 3 lightweight is 6, a little over 6. The rake is the longest at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8. 7 and I don't know, 7/8. The rake's definitely the longest. Got real nice action. And well, I guess that's it for now. I get to play with these. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. It helps the channel either way. Leave a comment if you have any of these, what you think of them. subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and keep an eye out for the follow-up videos on these, because they're coming. And guess till next time, bye.